my money makers.
Could you believe that I created an entire movie
using simple AI tools? Just watch this video.
The towering pyramids were built to honor the pharaohs and ensure their journey into the afterlife. Among these, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, stands as one of the greatest architectural feats in human history. Pharaohs were seen as gods on earth. To secure their legacy and guarantee their divine resurrection, they commissioned massive tombs, the pyramids. These structures symbolized the rays of the sun, helping the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens. Building such monumental structures required meticulous planning. Engineers and priests decided on the pyramid's dimensions and orientation, aligning them precisely with the cardinal points. The site was chosen carefully, close to the Nile River for easy transportation of materials. Contrary to the myth of slave labor, archaeologists believe that skilled laborers...
Yeah, I know it's something that you are interested to learn. Let me tell you, higher number of people love movie, and if you give them this kind of movie, what do you think? Your views will be skyrocketing. I want to tell you, if you can choose this niche as your faceless content niche, I bet you people will be rushing to your channel because people love movies. So without wasting your time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you ways you can make money online legitimately, especially through content creation, which is the king of money making online. Hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Let's go and learn. Let's go. So we are going to follow only but 3 steps to achieve this kind of video. First, we are going to get our story, which is very important. If you are good in creating stories, you can do it by yourself. But if not, don't worry. We are going to make use of ChatGPT. Let's do it.
So this is what you will do. Go to my Google Docs. It will be on my WhatsApp channel. You will have access to my WhatsApp channel on the description of this video. Get this prompt, copy the first prompt, give me a 5-minute story of, take it to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT, paste the prompt, you can type it as well, hit generate. Now this is what ChatGPT gave me. This right up here will not even reach 5 minutes, but this is what I would do. Go to your TikTok account, your normal TikTok account. If you are using a web browser, it is still the same thing. And if you are using the app on your phone, it is still the same thing. Just go to this chat bar, type pyramid of Egypt. Or you can just say how Pyramid of Egypt was built. You click on search.
How were the pyramids? It would take about 20...
Now you see a lot of videos here. This is what you are going to do. Now
These massive structures.
Let's pause this. Open one of the videos. Go ahead and save the video. Save it on your phone or on your system. You can copy the link and download it with any software or any website that can allow you to download a video, okay? But we are going to save it direct to our phone. Now go back to your ChatGPT. This is what you do. Click on this plus icon. Click on this place. Now it will be uploaded here. Now it is done uploading. Go back to our Google Docs this way. Copy the second prompt. Okay, copy. And head over to ChatGPT again. So paste it this way. Review the video and let your answer be similar to it. I want to create a video for you to with the story you are provided. So hit generate. Let's see. So after pasting it, ChatGPT gave me this detailed prompt. As you can see here, look at it. Awesome, 10 different prompts.
Now the second stage is converting our text to audio, and this is exactly how you do it.
For this, we are going to make use of TTS OpenAI. Just type it on your Google, TTS OpenAI. We go ahead and copy our story. Remember, you can make this story as long as you want. You can tell ChatGPT, please increase the story, make it longer. ChatGPT will give you exactly what you want. So paste it here. Paste exactly what you copied here on your TTS OpenAI. Come to this place. choose the voice that you want. Let's see. So I'm going to go with this. Go ahead and generate. Click on the green circle. You start generating it. So it's still generating. So here is our audio. Let's listen to it.
The story of how the Egyptian pyramids were built. Thousands of years ago, under the scorching Egyptian sun, a grand vision was born, a monument that would stand the test of time. Pharaoh Khufu, the mighty ruler of Egypt.
So you go ahead and download it. You see it here is downloading.
Now the last stage is actually converting our text to video. We are not going to generate image and then convert to video. We are going to convert text to video immediately. I know it is what you know. You don't like stress, right?
We are going to go with Vidu AI. So this is Vidu AI. Click on text to video. Now copy the text from ChatGPT. Paste it here. The way it is, you click on create. It will start generating. You can see it here. So this is what Vidu AI gave us. Click on it. Perfect. So look at the second one. Let's play it. The same process. You go ahead and download it. Now you copy the third one. This is the third prompt. Copy the third prompt. Generate it again with the same process.
Final stage, which is not really hard. This is editing it. The editing is very simple, straight to the point, straightforward. So this is how you can edit it.
For the editing, we are going to make use of CapCut. New project. Now bring all the clips, all the video clips that you downloaded, from the first one to the second one to the third one to the fourth one and to the fifth one. Depending on the number of videos that you generated, it can be 10, it can be 20. Just go ahead and add them here. Now I would like to delay this video a little. Come to this place, delay it a little. Tap on the speed, normal, delay it a little. Tap on it, normal, delay it a little. Not too much. That's how you keep delaying it, so that it can match with the voiceover. It is pretty simple. Now I want to tell you something. If you are creating this kind of video, the first time that you create it, it might be difficult for you. But once you create it first, second time, third time, it will be part of you. So let's go ahead and bring our audio. Tap on sounds. Go to audio, tap on sounds. Click on device. Now this is it. I've imported my audio. Please go ahead and crop out this place that has video watermark if you are using the free version. But if you are using the paid version, you won't have it here. So this is it. You zoom it so that it can occupy the space. And I also want to say something. When you're editing YouTube videos, make sure you change it to aspect ratio. You use YouTube frame 16:9 on your videos. Okay, so that to be very nice. Now this is it.
The story of how the Egyptian pyramids were built.
I also want to say something. If you are creating the video for TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform that is not YouTube, you can change it to their frame, which is 9:16. So
The story of how the Egyptian pyramids were built. Thousands of years ago, under the scorching Egyptian sun, a grand vision was born, a monument that would stand the test of time. Pharaoh Khufu, the mighty ruler of Egypt, dreamed of building the greatest pyramid the world would ever see, the Great Pyramid of Giza. It wouldn't just be a tomb, but a symbol of his divine power and a gateway to the afterlife. But how would such a colossal
So exactly this way, you go ahead and export your video. As soon as you cover, make sure that your video covers the whole audio. Get different videos. Download your videos according to their prompt, according to the prompt that ChatGPT gave you, and you will get exactly this video.
Journey into the afterlife. Among these, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, stands as one of the greatest architectural...
That's all.
So guys, would you try this kind of movie? Will you create this kind of movie? If yes, give this video a thumbs up. And also drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget, I will answer all your questions. Anyway you don't understand, please ask me. Thank you.